going to show you how to take one of these rub-ons. It's a rub-on applique sticker, and I'm going to put it on my own coffee cup just to see if it makes it look a little prettier, a little feminine. I'm going to cut this one out. And I'm going to peel the backing off. And there on the back you have your actual back side of your applique. I'm going to decide which direction I want this. I think I'll go this way. And I'm just going to put it right here on the front. I thought it was a cute little flower. And what you do is these come with a stick. You just rub the back side of your applique. Rub and rub and rub until you just think that it's transferred. And then rub it some more. It's pretty quick and pretty easy. And the way that these patterns come on the package, you can make an array of designs. There we go. I was going to pull it off, but it jumped off. You can make a circle of designs or whatever you'd like. And there you go, the finished flowers on the coffee cup. On our next segment, we'll be putting something else interesting on something boring to make it look better.